So you think about joining Nexus Rewards, but you have no money. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now in this video, I am going to be talking about Nexus Rewards and whether or not this is an opportunity to get involved with if you have no money to get started with. Now, Nexus Rewards is a cashback and savings membership program that allows you to build a monthly recurring income just by referring Nexus Rewards to other people. Now, to maximize your earning potential with Nexus Rewards, you should become a premium member, because once you are a premium member at Nexus Rewards, it allows you to earn $10 monthly recurring commissions, and it allows you to earn from people that your referrals bring in, they bring in 10 levels deep, right? So as a premium member, your earning potential with Nexus Rewards is ridiculous, right? But to become a premium member of Nexus Rewards, it does cost you $22 a month, right? So $5.50 a week can enable you to be a premium member and open up tons of income streams for you. But what if you don't have $22 a month? What if you like, yo, I am like flat broke, bruh? You know what I'm saying? Like straight up, I like what you're saying. I like the Nexus Rewards opportunity, right? I feel that. But I literally have nothing, right? All I got is my internet, right? If that's you, should you get involved with Nexus Rewards? And the answer is hell yeah, right? Definitely, I would get involved if you are serious about making money online. If you are serious about, earning money, and you have some time, you have some effort that you are willing to put out to make this work, then I highly suggest right after you watch this video, you need to get started now, today, all right? Because with Nexus Rewards, you can actually join for free and start earning from Nexus Rewards. Because when you join Nexus Rewards, you're going to have the opportunity to get access to free apps, all right, that you can refer to people, and you can actually earn referral money from free members, all right? Now, you actually still can earn from bringing other people into Nexus Rewards, right? But you're not going to earn, $10 a month. You'll earn slightly less, but you're still earning money, all right? So not only that, as a free member, you can come into Nexus Rewards and start earning instant $30 payouts. Now, one of the free apps that you can have access to as a Nexus Rewards member that's connected to your account is the Rakuten app. And with Rakuten, you're going to be able to earn $30 for referring people to Rakuten. All right. So if you referred, 10 people, you're going to get $300. All right. So remember, you know what I'm saying? If you have no money to invest, right? You strapped for cash, and you about that life, you ready to grind and hustle. This is it. So if you really do got that go-getter mentality, there's no reason why you can't start earning money with Nexus Rewards with no money. But I will say this, if you're gonna join, because I see this all the damn time, if you're gonna get all excited, you're like, yeah, I want to become a member of Nexus Rewards, right? I don't have no money right now, so I'm gonna do what Earl said, and I'm gonna just grind. I'm gonna promote Nexus Rewards and get commissions, and I'm gonna get money off these apps. You sign up, right? You get your affiliate links, you get your app set up, and then you don't do nothing. You don't promote. You will not make money if you do not promote this. So don't message me after you sign up after a week and be like, this just isn't working. Like, did you promote it? Not yet. Well, that's why you ain't make no damn money. You have all these opportunities you see these people talking about on these YouTube videos, on Facebook, on TikTok. Don't be fooled. All these people are promoting. You have to promote. Ask yourself, how did you come across this opportunity? Somebody put up a Facebook post, or you saw a TikTok video, or you saw a YouTube video. Ask yourself, how did I see this opportunity? So however you saw this opportunity is what you need to do to make the opportunity work for you. All right. So if you are somebody who's like struggling right now, a little tight on cash, but really want to start making some extra money, check out Nexus Rewards. And you can do that right now by clicking the first link in the description of this video. And when you join and get all set up, I will personally welcome you to the team and help you start building your income. Because when it comes to Nexus Rewards, I'm in go mode.